Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a 350Z here. I'm going to teach you how to remove your interior door handle and also your air vent right here. So I will talk as I go. So there's a little plastic circle in here on the window switch. Pop that off. You're going to get a Phillips head. Undo that. And then we're going to pop the window switch up. I always just feed it in right there. Pop that up and out. Unplug the window switches. And while we still have our flathead in our hand, I'll reach up here and I will pop that beauty cover off for the handle. And then we can grab our 10 mil on an extension. And you got 3 10s to take off. And 1, 2, 3. And then we'll reach under here to that opening. Give that a pry. Off in the back, off in the front. Undo the window actuator, or the door lock actuator. So now we've got the door panel off, we are going to pull off the handle and the air vent. Maybe yours is broken, and also the air vent comes out with it. Those air vents break, and then you can't direct the air where you want it to go. So we'll start off on the back side right here. And we're just gonna pull here. If you just want to replace your door handle, you take off the back 4 and you have a fresh handle, right? And then you keep going forward. This is the little scoop portion, and that slides out like that, and it also has your vent on it. So there you go. Once you get your door panel off, you need to remove your door handle and your air vent. That's how you do it.